This is the rear wheel to my e-bike, and this is how I found it when I went to go take it out this morning. To evaluate the damage. So on my bike, the motor is actually sitting in the rear wheel, so I wanted to avoid taking this off at all costs. Two big lessons that I learned from this is that e-bikes are looked at as motorcycles in the maintenance world. Not cars, not bikes, motorcycles.
We do not work on e-bike tires.
Don't work on e-bikes. All right, do you happen to know anybody in town that does?
I believe you'd have to go to like a motorcycle shop.
And the second, more important lesson is that what you don't know won't hurt you. So logically, step one was to fill the tire back up with air and see if it was leaking and see if I could hear where the air was coming from. Fun fact, I have no idea how to properly strap this bag on. It's flat. Yes, the tire was losing air very quickly, but no, I couldn't hear where it was coming from and I couldn't see a hole anywhere. So I did the most logical thing. I called the tire repair company. Hey, good morning. I have an e-bike with a tire that's losing air. I'm wondering if you guys would be able to help me get that patched.
We do not work on e-bike tires.
Don't work on e-bikes. All right, do you happen to know anybody in town that does?
I believe you'd have to go to like a motorcycle shop.
Oh, okay. All right, sounds good. Thank you very much.
No problem. You have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
So it turns out even though tire repair companies don't want to work on e-bikes, they do indeed know how to repair tires. This isn't an e-bike tire, this is just a tire. So my plan of not taking the wheel off the bike was out the window. Took off the tire, popped out the inner tube, and there was the hole. And when you bring the inner tube to an e-bike tire to the tire repair shop without the e-bike, they are happy to help you out. Hey, just picking up an inner tube. We got her. It took a little bit of trial and error, but the tire, or the wheel I should say, is back on. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's put some air in it and see if it works. I think we did it. But there's only one way to actually find out. Something's definitely wrong. It's not supposed to be that bumpy. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that's my problem. I don't know how I didn't see that before. Let's get it in the rim properly and try again. We're back. We're back, baby. As expected, that took way longer than I thought it would, so it's already getting dark. We're gonna put the bike away, call it quits for today, and just in a few hours at 5 a.m., we're gonna take it for the ultimate test and see if we can make it from home to work without that tire going flat. And in the meantime, I wanna take a second to look at the camera, look at you, and say thank you, because since my last video, we are up over 500 subscribers, and that is just amazing. It's only been a few short months that I've been uploading these videos to this channel, and the support I've received from you guys is out of this world. It means way more to me than you'll ever know. If you're one of those subscribers, thank you. If you're just watching this video right now for the first time, thank you. If you're not subscribed yet, you can take the second right now to pop down and hit that button. It's quick, it's easy, it's free, and it means a whole lot to me. Thank you so much for your support, guys. On to the next 500 subscribers. Let's get back to the video. The tire passed the test, we made it to work, and all that's left to do is what I should have done before I even started making this video, and that is grab a sick thumbnail. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll see you next time.